My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
All right, guys, I have a almost brand spanking new 2016 Hellcat Challenger. This has 433 miles on it. It came from a small private collection that's local to us. This is actually the first out of a few cars that I'm going to be offering to you guys from him. We acquired all of them together. They've been kept in a climate-controlled storage warehouse their entire lives. He's the original owner from them. So they're all in excellent condition, but this one is as close to new as it gets. Still needs to be broken in, so maybe one of you guys.
Now guys, real quick before we get into the rest of the video, if you've been enjoying our YouTube videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click the bell icon, you'll get notified every time a new one gets posted. You don't want to miss out. We got a lot of great cars coming in and out of this place. They go just as quick as they come in, so if you want to be the first to see it, beat everyone else, make sure you hit the bell. For the full photo shoot and write-up descriptions, you can visit volocars.com. There you can study the specs. You can take a look at our professional photos or studio shots of these vehicles. We have in-depth close-ups of the engine bay, interior, exterior, underneath the cars. There's a couple hundred, both modern muscle and classic cars. They're all for sale. It's highly addicting. Check it out, volocars.com. Who knows, you could find your dream car up on that site, and then this could be you sitting in the driver's seat. Make sure to check it out.
Without further ado, let's take a look at this Hellcat. 2016 Hellcat. This is finished in the Redline Red tri-coat color, so it's a very nice red. It does have some pearl in the paint as well, so guys, when it's out in the light, this thing sparkles. It just looks amazing. It pops. The color looks darker inside. When you go outside with the red, it brightens up a whole bunch. It's just a very sharp color, very fitting for this Challenger. The wheels, we have the forged matte black SRT wheels. They're massive 20-inch. They're both wrapped in the Pirelli 2.0 Nero all-season performance tires, so those are factory tires. Again, 433 miles on this gorgeous machine. It's pretty much spotless. I walked around it, couldn't find any blemishes. There's, maybe a little hair or something like that. But the dual chrome black tip exhaust, they still shine nicely. There's no pitting or flaking on them. All the ground effects, the lower valance on the rear bumper, the side skirts, and the front splitter, they're all in excellent condition. I didn't find any scratches or scuffs or anything like that on them. The fuel cap is the matching matte black, kind of offsets it. Same with the SRT rear spoiler, finished in that matte color as well. They do a really nice finish job on them, so even when you run your hands on it and stuff, they don't get all oily. I did notice that. So, of course, you got your Hellcat badges on either side of the fender. Like I was saying, that front splitter, oh, I did lie. There's a tiny little burr right in the corner here, but other than that, there's one tiny little nick. Otherwise, it's in really, really nice shape. The bumper, there's no stone chips, anything like that. The upper and lower grills, very nice and clean. There's no scratches, anything like that. They do the cold air intake on the driver's side inner light. They have the LED HIDs and halo rings on them. The hood has the functional air vent with the heat dissipator vents on either side of it. Classic Hellcat styling. So if you want something that's new, lightly used, new to you, this is definitely the one. Underneath the car, guys, it's spotless. Obviously, we have that dual mode stainless steel exhaust. This does have the 3-mode Bilstein active dampening SRT strut performance, so their active handling is one of the best on the market, really. It has the all-speed anti-spin differential in it. These things handle like a monster. They have rain brake assisting in them. This also has the active mode exhaust. So it has the Brembos front and rear. They are a 2-piece slotted rotor, of course. 4 piston in the front, 3 in the back, or sorry, 2 in the back, 2 piston, and then 4 piston up front. Obviously, you need a massive brake with tons of stopping power for a beast of a machine like this. Now let's take a look inside. All right, guys, coming into the interior. It's finished in the black ebony Laguna leather package. So it's got the premium leather on the door panels, the seats, around the steering wheel as well. These things are just absolutely loaded with comfort features on the inside. You have a heated steering wheel, tilt telescopic, that's power. This even has heated and cooled front seats on it. Overall, the condition, it smells brand spanking new in here. It looks brand spanking new. So very, very great shape. There's no wear or tear that I found on it. Some of the safety features that they pack in these things, you'll have lane assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, front brake assist as well. This has obviously your SRT mode. It has parking assist, dual climate, or not dual climate control. It is dual climate control actually. Front and rear defrosters. You have your launch control. Everything's displays nicely up on the screen. It's at a push of the button right at the center console. In the center here, you have your 8-speed automatic torque flight transmission with manual option. You do have paddle shifters on the steering wheel if you want to have some fun. Steering wheel is heated as well. Love the carbon fiber overlay that they do on the center dash bezels. Even the gauges, just you feel like you're in a muscle car. The leather's nice, it's soft, it's comfortable. You have the premium Harman Kardon stereo with the dual subwoofer system in it. So this thing, it can get loud in here. It packs a punch, so you can really have some fun. The back seats, guys, never been sat in. Excellent condition. This is finished with the red seat belts as well. It's a nice little set off from the rest of the black interior. The floor mats are in excellent shape. They're SRT with the matched white stitching around the edges on them. So very nice condition inside and out. Let's take a look at the trunk. We do have 2 sets of keys for it. You can pop the trunk by the remote. There is a button up by the dash. We have a nice Hellcat logo car cover that goes with it. There's the front license plate bracket as well, but who wants to put that on the car? The holes have not been drilled out on the front bumper, so it still has the little indents they're painted over. I'm not sure what's in here. Oh, we have extra brake pedal, brake and gas pedal covers. That's kind of nice. So underneath here, there is no spare tire. This is where they put the dual subwoofer system. You also have your battery and the tire inflator kit. So if you do get a flat, you can fill it up and get to the nearest exit or gas station if you need. So very, very clean inside and out. Everything still looks brand spanking new. Now in the engine bay, we have that massive 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi, 707 horsepower, just packing a punch. This is one of my favorite engine bays in these modern muscle cars offered, you know, in today's day and age. You open the hood, you see that massive lid on top. It presents itself very well. We have the Hemi orange short block with the Hemi orange valve covers on it. It just looks really, really nice. Definitely very impressive job by Dodge. Like I did say earlier, this is mated to the 8-speed torque flight automatic transmission. It's one of the smartest transmissions on the market offered today. And that's the ones they put in all the Hellcat series, the Red Eye, the Demon, and it even goes in the Trackhawk and the the Durango Hellcats as well. So they all have the same trans. right, guys, that was my impression on our 2016 Challenger Hellcat. Again, 433 original miles, finished in this gorgeous Redline Red Tri-Coat Pearl. Definitely a collector's item. You know, they're going to be ending the run on the Hellcat motor here very soon. All these cars are just, you see them out there, they're driven, they're beat on. They don't have low miles anymore, so you don't come by this low mileage every day, that's for sure. If you are interested in purchasing this car, you can visit volocars.com. There, if you click the Buy It Now button, it'll secure a refundable deposit on this car. It'll shoot us an email with your information, and we will be contacting you back. We can help set up financing. It's super easy. We can also get this delivered right to your driveway, so you can stare at it every day. volocars.com. Or you can call us, ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to talk over the cars some more with you. I can also set up shipping and financing that way as well. Thanks for checking it out.